What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is the second episode of a complete walkthrough of Seller Central. And in this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to create a shipping plan. It's pretty easy stuff. So if you are new to the channel, or if you're a new seller, this might be good for you. If you've been selling for a while, then you're wasting your time by watching this. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come up to the inventory and you're going to do manage inventory, and you're going to select, wait for it to load. You're going to select whatever product it is that you want to send in, and you're just going to, select it here, and on the action on selected button here, you're just going to go down to send and replenish inventory. Pretty simple. And that will take you to this page here, which if you are creating a new listing, right after you create the listing, this screen here will pop up. So this is just another way to get to this screen. All right, so you have your individual products and your case pack products. 99% of the time, you guys are sending in individual products. A case pack product would be something like eggs, right? You sell eggs in cases of 12, right? Or a 24 pack of Mountain Dew. So we're just going to do the individual products, and we're going to create a new shipping plan and continue. Okay, so the first bit of information you are going to enter is the quantity. Very basic. So we're just going to say 10 and continue. Nothing else that you really need to do there. Then you have to choose the prepping category, okay? Is this something that is a baby product? Is it sharp? Is it fragile? Is it apparel? Is it adult? Liquids, powder, you get the idea. Most of the products we're selling, there's going to be no prep needed, okay? So hit choose. And we're on to the second part. This is easy, guys. This is real easy. So in this screen here, okay, what this is telling you is Amazon does not recognize the barcode on this product. They want you to apply their FN SKU number. Okay, that's Amazon's inventory tracking system. That's basically their barcode. So this, once again, the barcode that comes on this product is not in Amazon's system, in their inventory tracking system, so you have to do their barcode. Now, you can pay 20 cents per unit to have Amazon apply the barcode, and what they'll do is they'll literally take it and they'll put a barcode right on top of the manufacturer's barcode. Or you can do it yourself. I always have Amazon do it because it's only 20 cents per unit, and I think it would be a waste of time and, honestly, resources to do it myself. So I'm going to have Amazon do it, right? Continue. And boom, there you go. This shipment is going here, okay? Now, real quick, if you are new, odds are you have not set up the inventory placement option, okay? You probably want to do that, because what will happen if you don't set up the inventory placement option is Amazon, you might list, say, 10 of this product. I'm not going to tell you what it is because it's a product that I do wholesale for. So anyway, I have 10 units here. If I didn't have the inventory placement option set up, then Amazon might have me send this to 10 different warehouses. And if you can imagine, the cost of shipping would significantly increase, and I probably wouldn't make any money. So I will show you in another video how to set up inventory placement in case you have not. It's very simple. But we're going to continue on from here, and I'm just going to do, product and 10, okay? And then you approve the shipment. So now your shipping plan is being created. You've approved it. Now it's time to just put in the information. You're going to work on the shipment. You got to put in the information, how many boxes you're sending, what's in each box, the weight, the dimensions, who you're using as your carrier. I really suggest using UPS. Amazon has really good deal, a really good deal with them, so you can get pretty cheap rates. So come over here. We'll say everything in one box, right? You could also do multiple boxes, but we only did 10 of this product, so we're going to do everything in one box. Let's just say it's 10 pounds. You measure the box, 10 by 10 by 10, and you would hit confirm. And then it's going to want you to calculate. And as you can see right here, the shipping cost is almost nothing. Okay? So the next thing you would do is you would hit I agree to the terms and conditions, accept charges. I'm not going to do that now because I'm not actually creating a shipment. And then you would print the box labels. When you were done there, you would come down and click this complete shipment button, and boom! You have created a shipment. So then you just put that label on your box, drive over to UPS, literally drop it off, and you are done. From that point forward, all you got to do is sit back and wait and watch people buy your products. Okay, guys, this is how you do a FBA shipping plan and send things into inventory into Amazon. Go ahead and hit that like button if you would. If you have any questions, throw them down in the comment box below. And as always, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next video in this series. Thanks, guys.